Have you ever wanted to take your table settings from ordinary to extraordinary? While beautiful dishes and centerpieces always make an impression, the secret to true elegance often lies in the details. Like a perfectly folded napkin. Today we're going to show you 5 stunning napkin folding techniques that will instantly elevate any meal, whether you're hosting a formal dinner party or just want to add some flair to family dinners. These simple yet impressive folds are easier than you think, and I promise they'll make your guests feel extra special. Welcome back to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. If you're new here, we share all the tips and tricks you need to throw unforgettable gatherings without the stress. Before we dive into these beautiful napkin folds, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our hosting inspiration. And if you're as excited about table styling as I am, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. Let's start with the most basic but versatile technique, the simple fold. This is perfect for everyday meals, yet elegant enough for nicer occasions. Simply lay your napkin flat, fold it diagonally into a triangle, then fold it again to create a neat, compact shape. What I love about this fold is how it works with any napkin material and looks polished, whether placed on a plate or beside the silverware. It's my go-to for casual dinners when I want things to look put together without much effort. For something with a bit more sophistication, try the fan fold. This beautiful design adds wonderful texture and movement to your table setting. Start by making 1-inch accordion pleats across the entire napkin, then gently fan out one end while keeping the base tight. You can secure it with a pretty napkin ring or tuck it under a plate. This fold is absolutely stunning for weddings, holiday dinners, or any time you want to impress your guests. Pro tip: starch your napkins first for extra crisp folds that hold their shape beautifully throughout the meal. Now let's talk about my personal favorite, the pocket fold. Not only does this look stylish, but it's incredibly practical too. After folding your napkin diagonally, you'll create a little pocket by folding down the top point and tucking in the sides. This is perfect for holding utensils, place cards, or even a fresh herb sprig for decoration. I especially love using this for outdoor gatherings because it keeps everything neatly in place. You can adjust the pocket depth depending on what you want to put inside. Try slipping in a menu for an extra special touch at dinner parties. For truly special occasions, the romantic rose fold is guaranteed to wow your guests. This beautiful design transforms an ordinary napkin into an elegant floral accent. Start by folding your square napkin diagonally, then tightly roll it from the long edge to create the stem. The magic happens when you gently unfurl the top layers to form delicate petals. This looks absolutely breathtaking on Valentine's Day tables or anniversary dinners. Try using deep red or pink napkins for maximum impact, or go for crisp white for classic wedding elegance. Our final technique is the modern and textured accordion fold. This contemporary design adds fantastic dimension to your table setting. By making even pleats across the entire napkin, then pinching the center, you create a structured look that stands upright with graceful folds. It's perfect for modern, minimalist tablescapes or when you want to add some artistic flair. I love grouping several of these together down the center of a long table for a dramatic effect. They also look stunning when placed in decorative napkin rings for an extra pop of style. And there you have it, 5 beautiful napkin folding techniques to transform your next meal into something extraordinary. Whether you choose the simple elegance of the basic fold or the dramatic beauty of the rose fold, these techniques will help you create table settings that impress every time. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love entertaining. Until next time, happy hosting from all of us here at Kitchen to Entertain.